You guys, today we're going to see Jeffree Star. He's gonna open a Morphe store in the mall that's really close to my house. So I'm getting ready right now. I'm already late-ish. I'm running a little bit late on schedule. So we're just gonna do the eyes really quick, and then I'm gonna do my face, and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that I'm looking crazy with the pink, I think I'm gonna do a cut crease using one of the Stila liquid eyeshadow things. See how this goes. Because we're in a rush, you guys. I'm gonna take the color Kitten, just like one of the mini ones. I'm gonna try my best to do a little cut crease right now. That's not looking good, you guys. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna start over. BRB. I'm gonna be using the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Doing mascara. My wings took 5 years to do. Foundation. Okay, so I just finished my makeup and I just have to put on some lip gloss. My mom's getting ready to meet Jeffree Star. Ooh. Ooh. So we're gonna leave in a few minutes, and I think my mom's gonna help me vlog.
That's right.
She says I look like an 80s girl.
She does. We have 80s hair today. See? But we're getting haircuts.
Hi. Oh, I can't see you.
Thank you. Very pretty.
Wow, outfit of the day.
I love it. It's a chip. Hi. Hi.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
We made it to the line. It's really long. I don't know if you can hear me, but I think we're gonna be here for a few hours. So I guess I'll talk to you guys when we meet Jeffree. So we can't see him.
Sorry.
I'm dying. Actually no, I'm dying. So we can't see him because apparently you're supposed to have a wristband, and we don't have that wristband. So we were in line for like an hour.
Really? Was that long?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were in line for an hour for no reason. Apparently that line was to just get in the Morphe store. And we could go inside the Morphe store anytime because we live here, so it's not really, I don't know. The point of the story is we can't meet him and we're really sad. So, hi Jeffree if you're watching this, but you're not, probably. So, thank you guys for watching this really sad video.
Hi. But you guys see beautiful makeup.
I love you guys. Thank you.
I'm eating with these
See you guys very, 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 very